Target Trading Academy.
Good afternoon, everybody. Preston Vogl here at Target Trading Academy with today's Micros Market Recap. Let's get right into it. It is Thursday, February 9th, just after the close of New York. Micro Oil will start us off. We opened below the close from the prior day. That's up here. We had some initial sideways and then selling off. And you can just see how sideways this went for a while. It was just choppy. Most of the morning in all of our markets was like this, quite frankly, but we finally got some support. They had some troubles breaking through, and then towards the end of the day, as a general, there was some volatility that came in, but we never got to that close. We ended up around here at that 230 mark for closing in oil. As far as gold goes, blow that one up here. Gold opened above its close from yesterday, had a move down, and then it found support. And my drawing tool is not working right now for whatever reason, but it found support, and then it came up, rounded some new highs, and then came all the way down and just was melting down. And you can see the response at these levels here at that HVA edge. Oh, there it goes, at that edge right there. And they had response off of it and then found that resistance from this sideways movement. And then they came back down, hit that edge again, and then just kept going down. So, needless to say, we are finishing net down in gold for the day. As far as our equities, they are also going to be net down. If we just scroll back here and look at how the ES played out, it was a slow, methodical melt down. A lot of buying, trying to not take it down any further, but those sellers were a lot stronger than those buyers were, and it just kept coming down. You can see the response at these HVA levels. Again, these levels are drawn the night before the next day's trading activity. So if that's something that's of interest to you, feel free to reach out to us here at Target Trading Academy, and we can talk to you more about it. But ultimately, you can see it was just pretty much a straight shot down to where we ended up just now. It wasn't until near that close where we started getting some more participation as they're all clearing out of their positions, and that's probably what gave us that little rise. But again, you can see the response around those HVAs. Similar story in the NASDAQ. Just scroll back here. Opening, excuse me, above the close from yesterday, and then we just were melting down. A little bit more participation in the micro NASDAQ than the micro ES, especially at those levels. You can just see the response there, and it just kept melting down, making new lows continually. So we are net down in all of our markets today. We'll see what tomorrow brings. It is Friday. Fridays usually are generally not that great. Usually the early morning pit pre-market before the pit session opens are typically decent, with it just getting slower and slower as the afternoon wears on. If you're interested in learning more information about these levels and how you can get them onto your charts the night before, if you're interested in learning how to trade futures, we are a futures education trading company. So get in touch with us. You can find us on Facebook or go to our website at targettrading.co. Again, that is targettrading.co. Get in touch with us at other location. The consultants that you'll talk with, excuse me, I got something in my throat, will gladly show you what we do in our rooms each and every day. And you'll be able to see for yourself why we are the #1 trading education company in the world. We look forward to seeing you there.